Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use rest mode on this car. So at the very beginning, let's get access to all profiles of the following vehicle. So all you need to do is use home screen and select here the apps icon. From apps, let's select profile. And as you can see here, you can use a few profiles, and one of them is rest mode, the one here. So it is designed for taking a break or a nap inside the car. As you can see, you can set up the time. You can set up the timer. So for example, you can just set up like 10 minutes if you would like to. And if you tap start, the rest mode will be activated for 10 minutes. You can also customize this rest mode. For example, you can use the ambient light, you can use the cluster brightness, you can switch off the dome lights, you can pause the music, set up the temperature. You can customize everything from the following view. If you change something, just tap confirm. For example, let me switch the temperature to 24 degrees, tap confirm. And if you are ready, let's just tap start.
Rest mode on. To ensure your safety, please get out of vehicle and wait for seat to lie flat.
As you can see, the car will put your seat to flat position, so you can take a nap. But to activate this, you need to get out from the vehicle. Let me close it for now. This is like the screen for the rest mode, and if you would like to end it, you can tap here, or you can wait until the following timer will
Rest mode activate. Automatically
activate.
restore seat.
Okay, tap confirm. Let me tap get it and close it. Alright, so that's it for this video. It was like quick tutorial of how to use the rest mode. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for our channel and leave thumbs up.